Most people think you need a flashy startup or a billion-dollar idea to get rich. But the truth is, the boring businesses, the ones nobody talks about, are quietly creating wealth every single day. Welcome to Business Ideas Vault, the place where we uncover the hidden ways money is made. Let's dive into business. 1. Storage units. At first glance, a storage unit business doesn't seem exciting, but it's one of the most recession-proof businesses you can start. In cities around the world, people are downsizing apartments, moving frequently, and accumulating more stuff than they have space for. By offering secure, convenient storage solutions, you tap into a constant demand. The best part? Once you invest in the property and racks, the operational costs are minimal, meaning most of what you earn is pure profit. Another advantage is scalability. You can start with just a few units in a single location and slowly expand to multiple sites. Offering extras like climate-controlled units or 24/7 access can let you charge premium prices. Investors and entrepreneurs alike are quietly building serious wealth with storage units, and the beauty is, you don't need to be a tech genius or risk millions to make it happen. 2. Laundromats and dry cleaning services. Laundromats and dry cleaning services have been quietly making people rich for decades, and they're more profitable than ever in 2026. The secret lies in automation and subscriptions. Machines now handle most of the washing and drying, while subscription models allow customers to pay monthly for convenience. This creates predictable, recurring income, a dream for anyone tired of unpredictable sales cycles. Location is key. Placing your laundromat near apartments, colleges, or busy neighborhoods guarantees daily traffic. Add small services like pickup and delivery, or partner with local businesses, and your revenue can multiply without much extra effort. This is a business where consistency, not flashiness, rewards you handsomely, turning a simple laundromat into a reliable income machine. 3. Small-scale manufacturing. Small-scale manufacturing might sound intimidating, but it's one of the best-kept secrets for building wealth quietly. Think custom furniture, small electronics, or even niche household items. One specialized machine can produce items consistently while keeping labor low. Unlike trendy online businesses, these products have lasting demand and aren't dependent on viral content or social media trends. The real advantage is control. You own the production, set the prices, and scale at your own pace. A single machine in a small workshop can generate daily cash flow, and over time, you can expand to multiple machines or product lines. Entrepreneurs who focus on small-scale manufacturing often find that the most profitable opportunities are in industries that others consider boring. 4. Vending machine businesses. Vending machines are simple, low-maintenance, and incredibly profitable if done right. The secret isn't just snacks, it's placement. Machines in high-traffic locations like offices, gyms, or schools generate steady, almost passive income. You refill them once a week, track sales remotely, and watch the money roll in. It's a business that runs quietly in the background while you focus on scaling or starting other ventures. You can also specialize to increase profits. Healthy snacks, energy drinks, or premium coffee machines can command higher prices and attract loyal customers. In fact, some vending entrepreneurs make 6 figures a year with fewer than 50 machines. It's an often overlooked business, but in 2026, it's quietly creating serious wealth for those willing to see the opportunity. 5. Car washes. Car washes are one of the few businesses where automation and scalability come together beautifully. Modern equipment can handle hundreds of cars per day, and high-quality services can attract premium prices. Unlike many service-based businesses, car washes provide steady daily revenue, especially in busy cities or suburbs where people are constantly commuting. Beyond the machines, upselling services like detailing, wax, or subscription plans can significantly boost profits. Many successful entrepreneurs start with a single automated car wash, reinvest the profits, and gradually expand into multiple locations. This is a classic example of a boring business generating consistent wealth quietly, exactly the type of business most people overlook. 6. Digital print shops. Digital print shops are quietly revolutionizing small business entrepreneurship. From custom t-shirts and mugs to business cards and stickers, You can serve both local and online markets with minimal upfront investment. Unlike generic e-commerce, niche products allow you to target passionate communities who are willing to pay more for personalized items. The key is automation. With modern printers, a single operator can handle dozens of orders a day without breaking a sweat. Profit margins can be surprisingly high, especially if you focus on premium products or limited edition designs. You can also integrate dropshipping or online marketplaces, allowing you to scale without needing a physical storefront. Entrepreneurs who master this often find themselves generating consistent daily revenue while staying flexible, making digital print shops one of the ultimate, boring but profitable businesses in 2026. 7. Specialized cleaning services. Specialized cleaning services are one of the most underappreciated wealth-building businesses. Unlike residential cleaning, this focuses on industrial, post-construction, or commercial spaces, jobs that big companies are willing to pay hundreds per day for. It's not glamorous, but the money is real, and repeat clients make this a predictable, high-margin business. The best part is low competition. Many people overlook these opportunities because they seem tedious, but for those willing to take them seriously, it's a goldmine. A small team, professional equipment, and reliable service can turn a simple cleaning business into a cash-generating system. In fact, some entrepreneurs make more from a single niche cleaning contract than a typical 9-to-5 salary. 8. Mobile food trucks. Food trucks are a smart alternative to opening a traditional restaurant. The investment is lower, mobility allows you to follow high-traffic events, and overhead is minimal. In 2026, niche food trucks, specialty coffee, desserts, ethnic cuisine, are booming because people crave convenience and unique experiences. One truck in the right location can easily earn daily revenue exceeding many full-sized restaurants. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can operate in different areas on different days, test new menus, and scale by adding more trucks once the first is profitable. Food trucks turn ordinary people into small-scale restaurant owners without the massive financial risk, making them an ideal example of a boring, yet incredibly lucrative business. 9. Senior care services. As populations age, the demand for senior care services continues to rise. From in-home assistance to mobility support, these services are essential and often poorly served. Many families are willing to pay premium prices for trustworthy, high-quality care, which makes this a highly profitable business that's also recession-resistant. What makes this business model even more attractive is repeatability. A single client can generate consistent income over months or years. By hiring reliable staff and building a reputation for excellence, entrepreneurs can scale from one client to dozens, creating steady cash flow and long-term wealth. It's a business that's not flashy but pays exceptionally well for those who approach it smartly. 10. Niche e-commerce stores. The e-commerce boom isn't just for massive global brands. Niche e-commerce stores, focused on specific products or communities, are quietly generating serious revenue. Whether it's eco-friendly home goods, collectible items, or hobby-specific products, targeting a passionate audience allows you to charge higher prices and build loyal customers who return again and again. Unlike general online stores, niche stores require smart marketing and deep understanding of customer needs, not massive capital. With automated fulfillment and social media strategies, you can run the entire business remotely. Entrepreneurs who focus on niche markets often discover that the most profitable opportunities are hidden in areas most people overlook, proving once again that boring doesn't mean unprofitable. 11. Mobile car detailing services. Mobile car detailing is a growing niche that combines convenience with high profit margins. Unlike stationary car washes, this business goes directly to the customer, homes, offices, or events, offering full cleaning and detailing services. The low overhead, combined with premium pricing for convenience, makes it a cash-generating machine for just 1 or 2 operators. The key to scaling is building a loyal customer base and offering subscription packages. Imagine 20 clients paying a few $100s monthly, almost passive income with minimal effort. Many entrepreneurs overlook this because it seems small, but in 2026, mobile car detailing is quietly creating serious wealth for ordinary people. 12. Landscaping and lawn care. Landscaping and lawn care might seem mundane, but it's one of the most consistent businesses for steady income. Homeowners, offices, and apartment complexes all need regular maintenance. By offering reliable, high-quality services, you build long-term contracts that generate predictable revenue every week. Advanced services like garden design, tree trimming, or irrigation system maintenance allow you to charge premium prices. Start with just a small team and expand as demand grows. Entrepreneurs who invest in tools and build a reputation can turn landscaping into a business that scales quietly yet consistently. 13. Pet services, grooming, boarding, daycare. Pet ownership is booming, and pet owners are willing to spend on grooming, daycare, and boarding. These services provide steady income, especially when you offer monthly packages or premium care. It's not flashy, but it solves real problems for busy pet owners and creates a reliable revenue stream. Expansion is simple. Add more pets, hire trusted staff, or offer niche services like training or specialty grooming. A small grooming business in the right location can outperform many typical small businesses. In 2026, pet services remain one of the most overlooked ways ordinary people quietly build wealth. 14. Event equipment rentals. Event equipment rentals cover things like chairs, tables, sound systems, and tents. It may sound boring, but every wedding, corporate event, or festival needs this equipment. By purchasing quality items and renting them consistently, you create a business that earns money without requiring daily effort. The beauty is scalability. Start small, then gradually expand inventory as demand grows. Add premium services like setup and delivery, and your profit margins increase significantly. Many entrepreneurs discover that a few $1,000s in equipment can generate tens of thousands a year, quietly making people rich. 15. Specialty coffee or juice kiosks. Small specialty kiosks serving coffee, fresh juice, or smoothies may seem simple, but they are high-margin businesses with constant daily traffic. Location is everything. Busy streets, malls, or office complexes ensure regular customers who are willing to pay extra for quality and convenience. Scaling is easy. Add more kiosks, introduce seasonal products, or partner with nearby offices. Unlike full-scale restaurants, these kiosks have low rent, minimal staff, and repeatable income. In 2026, specialty beverage kiosks remain a quiet but lucrative business for those who see opportunity where others don't. 16. Specialty cleaning products manufacturing. Manufacturing niche cleaning products like eco-friendly solutions, industrial cleaners, or specialty detergents is a surprisingly profitable business. Unlike generic household cleaners, these products target specific problems and allow you to charge premium prices. With relatively low production costs and recurring demand, it's a steady cash generator for small manufacturers. The scalability is excellent. Start with a few products and expand your line based on customer demand. Partner with local stores, offices, or even sell online, and you create multiple revenue streams. Entrepreneurs who focus on these overlooked products often find that the quiet, boring markets yield the most predictable profits. 17. Mobile phone and electronics repair services. With a rise in smartphone and gadget usage, repair services have never been more in demand. From screen replacements to battery swaps, even small shops or mobile units can generate daily income. The startup costs are low, and every device fixed adds to consistent revenue. Scalability comes from specialization. Offer premium services like water damage repair or partner with businesses to service their electronics. Once you build a reputation for quality and speed, referrals increase exponentially. It's a classic example of a boring service that quietly makes entrepreneurs rich. 18. Laundry delivery subscription services. Building on traditional laundromats, a laundry delivery subscription service takes convenience to the next level. Customers pay a monthly fee to have their laundry picked up, cleaned, and delivered. This predictable recurring income makes it much easier to scale and forecast revenue. Marketing is simple. Target busy professionals, apartment complexes, and college students. Combine this with automated operations and strategic pickup routes, and you can run a highly profitable business with minimal overhead. In 2026, subscription-based laundry services are a hidden goldmine for ordinary entrepreneurs. 19. Microgreens and indoor farming. Urban farming and microgreens are booming due to rising demand for fresh, locally grown produce. Small-scale indoor farms or vertical gardens can generate high profits from relatively little space. Microgreens, herbs, or specialty vegetables are sold at a premium to restaurants, grocery stores, or local markets. The beauty is sustainability and repeat sales. Once established, crops can be harvested multiple times a month, creating consistent revenue. Entrepreneurs who master this niche often find it's not only profitable but also scalable. Adding more units or diversifying crops can multiply earnings quietly but significantly. 20. Subscription boxes for niche audiences. Subscription boxes have exploded in popularity, but the real winners target very specific niches. Think hobbyists, fitness enthusiasts, or pet owners. By curating products for passionate communities, you can charge premium prices while providing ongoing monthly deliveries, creating predictable income streams. The key is personalization and exclusivity. Limited editions or themed boxes encourage repeat subscriptions and word-of-mouth marketing. Many entrepreneurs in 2026 are quietly making thousands per month without needing a massive e-commerce store, proving that boring, niche-focused subscription models can build real wealth. The lesson here? You don't need a flashy idea to get rich. The real wealth is in simple, repeatable systems that solve everyday problems. Boring businesses are boring for a reason. They work silently in the background while flashy startups burn out. If you learned something new today, hit that like button and subscribe. Comment below which of these 10 businesses you'd start tomorrow. And remember, in 2026, quiet, smart businesses are the ones making people rich.